In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your car or bike insurance online in the UK for the year 25. This process really isn't as complicated as it might first seem, and I'll guide you through it step by step to ensure everything is clear and straightforward. Whether you've just bought a vehicle or simply want to confirm your insurance details, we've got you covered. To begin, let's talk about the Motor Insurance Database, or NMED. This is a key resource for checking your vehicle's insurance status. You can easily access the service by navigating to askmidi.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option that says, Check if a vehicle is insured. This link will direct you towards the information you need by taking you to the appropriate page, where you'll be asked to input some details about your vehicle. The next step is simple but crucial. Enter your vehicle registration number. This unique number helps the database identify your vehicle and retrieve the relevant insurance information. After you enter this number, the MIDI will quickly let you know if your vehicle is insured. Additionally, it will provide you with the insurer's name as well as your policy number. These details can be particularly helpful if you're looking to verify specifics regarding your coverage or quickly get in touch with your insurer. Now let's consider an alternative method using the government website, Govia UK. This is a reliable platform that many people overlook, but it's a great avenue for confirming insurance details. Visit the Gov UK vehicle information page, where, once again, you'll need to enter your vehicle's registration plate number. The system will then check the database and inform you if your vehicle is currently insured. It's important to note that both approaches serve to give you peace of mind by ensuring that you're not unknowingly driving without insurance, which can have serious legal repercussions. In addition, by using these online services, you'll save a lot of time and effort compared to making phone calls or digging through paperwork. Both methods are designed to be user-friendly and efficient, providing you with the information you need within just a few clicks. Remember, keeping your vehicle insured is not only a legal requirement, but also a critical element of personal and financial responsibility. By having quick online access to check your insurance status, you can avoid unnecessary troubles and stay properly covered. I hope this guide has offered you a clear, reliable way to check your car or bike insurance status online. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips.